I'm gonna drop jewels on this channel that y'all ain't gonna get nowhere else. Nowhere. All I ask is one thing: support in the form of if you decide that you're looking for somebody to do XYZ that you've seen on one of my episodes or on my page or on my show, get at me. Get at me. Get at me. Let's have a brief conversation about it, and then you make a decision from there. Let me be your first go-to. That's all I ask. Let me be your first go-to. Also, if there's information that continues to feed you and you continue to grow in business, then by all means support the Cash App. The Cash App is gonna always be in the little scroll bar at the bottom. By all means support the Cash App. Look, I've been doing this a long time. I've been trying to figure it out how I'm gonna disseminate the information to all of y'all, and at the same time, support my family, support my research. All right, I want to give back. I do. I got so fucking much to give back, but in return, I'm gonna need you guys' support. I ain't looking for nothing for free. If you want to shoot something to the Cash App, I'm gonna say it again. If you continue to get fed good information from my page, from my site, from my community that I build, then shoot something to the Cash App. But by all means, my first interest would be to do business with you. Fuck with me. Hit me up. Call me. Pay for some of my services. I do a gazillion things, and I do a gazillion things motherfucking well. Fuck with me is all I'm saying. Period. And the main thing, is to get this information, help your business grow, help those around you grow. We all wanna grow. That's the main thing that we all want to do. All right, so we're gonna talk about the type of businesses that that's out there, and what type of business may be right for your group, or if you solo dolo, what might be right for you. You could do the sole proprietorship, you got corporation, you got LLC, and then you have a partnership. And of course, some are more advantageous than others. Some have more benefits than others. The sole proprietorship, I can't do nothing but just say it like it is. If you want to be lazy, if you really want to just, have to get a sign a deal versus being able to go into a partnership. If you want to be one of those that's in a year, 2, 3 years, 4, 5 years, you get a little bit more information and been like, well, man, if you would have did it this way, then you could have got this. Then you would be one of those. If you want to fool with being a sole proprietor. Then you also have the partnership. If you got a group, if it's more than one, and y'all want to bust it down, and y'all want to get a partnership, and y'all want to split everything up equally, then you can form your partnership. All right, then you have the corporation, and then you also have the LLC. And again, some of these are more advantageous and have more benefits than others. The corporation and the LLC are your top two tiers. These are the business structures where you'll be able to have asset protection, you'll be able to have limited liability, you'll be able to do tax planning versus tax preparation and shit. Let me break that down. With tax planning, you're gonna go into the tax year already set up. Tax preparation is at the end of the tax year when you're actually filing your taxes. With tax planning, there's no need for tax preparation. And you get your company set up right, you get the right business structure. Again, all of these things, come with the top two, the corporation and the LLC. Wealth management, all of these tools are available to the corporations and to the LLC. And in any event, all right, even if you decide to go the sole prop route, at least get you a DBA, a doing business as, and this way you won't have any problems when it comes down to getting paid. You'll need to set up a bank account. You get your DBA, you can set up the bank account. And I know a lot of people, um, have issues with bank accounts because bank accounts are tied to credit scores. So it's not easy for a lot of people in a lot of cases to just boom, boom, boom and go open up a business account. But there are ways where you can get the business account opened up in your company's name. Then that way you don't have to worry about the troubles or whatever issues or concerns that may be involving you personally. So this is where you need to reach out. If you need legal advice, if you need, any type of professional accounting advice, then reach out to your CPA or reach out to your lawyer, in that regard. But if you want to learn, because they're not going to teach you, you can pay them to do something for you. But my motto is I'm going to teach you how to fish. So if you want to learn how to do these things for yourself, then get at your boy. That's what I do. You can inbox me, you can DM me. All of my contact information is on my pages. So make sure you go like and follow Pickup Game University. Make sure you go like and follow Pickup Game University on Instagram and on Facebook. And you can inbox me or you can DM me, and then we can just go from there. But again, business structure. All right. Those are the key elements of the business structures that you'll need. You got your sole proprietor, you got your corporation, you got your LLC, and you got your partnership. And basically, you just have to determine what's going to be best for you guys. And then you have to be careful because in a lot of instances, partnerships are formed without any legal work or without any paperwork done at all. So in order to avoid any type of disputes, it's good to get all of these things in writing by setting up agreements, just again, depending on the type of entity that you decide to start, that's going to depend on the type of agreement that you're able to legally bind somebody by. So again, lawyer, CPA, if you want them to do these things for you. But if you want to be taught how to fish, if you want to be taught how to do these things, then I said again, you get at your boy. Everything that I'm talking about, everything that I'm on is for educational purposes, because you got them haters out there that want to try to report you or that want to try to ask for this or do you have that, not knowing, the business and how this shit go. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna end this one, and then we got more episodes to come. And look, y'all, I'm really new at this. I'm finna start doing this every single day. I'm finna start giving y'all this game. I'm finna start putting these videos out there on everything. So if you're a new artist coming into the game, you need to make sure you have your business structure set up. I'll say it again. You can inbox me or you can DM me on some good to learn some good business strategies. If you want to learn some good business strategies, that will basically set you up. If you want to be that mogul, if you really want to have your company set up right, all right, then you need to really get at your boy. You know what I mean? Or I'll say it again, you can go seek legal advice from an attorney. You can also go and seek legal advice from a CPA or professional advice from a CPA. But if you want to learn this shit, if you want to get taught something, you want to get educated on how to do it, then you can get at your boy all day long. All right, I'm gonna put you on top of everything that you need to get put up on, and then on top of all of that, see, this was gonna put the icing on the cake right here. Everything that I do, see, I study law, so everything that I do, everything, will be cited with, whether it's from the USC, from the United States Code, whether if it's something from the IRS, from their code, no matter what it is. We're gonna cite all sources of this information. We covering all grounds, um, the whole 9 yards. All right, I'm out this time.